Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start your own wiki with MediaWiki step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the MediaWiki website. Download the latest version of MediaWiki from the download section. Extract the downloaded zip file to your desired location on your server. Upload the extracted files to your web server using an FTP client. Create a new database for your wiki within your hosting control panel. Take note of the database name, username, and password for later use. Configure the local settings.php file by renaming it to local settings.php from the sample version. Open the local settings.php file in a text editor. Fill in the database details you noted earlier in the appropriate section of the file. Set the proper permissions on the files and directories as instructed in the installation guide. Open your web browser and navigate to the URL where you uploaded MediaWiki. Follow the on-screen installation prompts to complete the setup process. Select your wiki's name and description during the configuration. Choose the default language for the user interface. Decide on the user rights settings based on your desired control level. Configure any additional settings as needed during the installation wizard. Once completed, your new wiki will be ready to use. Test the installation by creating a new page. Explore the various settings and options available in the MediaWiki interface. Familiarize yourself with the editing and formatting rules used in MediaWiki. Consider inviting contributors to help expand your wiki's content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.